Hello again, we go on. Now we will cover so-called side walk. In fact, I have no idea how to call all these movements in English. I just make these names up by myself. So this is side walk. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, why it is side walk? Because we move from one side to another. Okay, again, this position. We start from the right leg. We fix it this way. So train it. When you touch the floor with the right leg, you should immediately also do this, the thing with left. So 1 and fix this way. Again, 1 and now again with right leg. 2 and 3 and 4. And you still are in the same position. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we should change our legs because we will move to the left side. So now we need our left leg. 1, touch, 2, 3, 4. Regarding your weight, it should be somewhere between your legs. You should not move like this, you see? And you should not do these things. Just keep your weight in the center so that nothing changes. Even when you change the direction, nothing special happens with your weight. From this side. Okay, I'm in this position. I open my right leg, 1, left, 2, left, 3, 4. I change my leg, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we don't calculate 1, 2. We calculate it as 1. This is 1. 1 consists of 2 movements. Right and left. So if we want to do 4, we move 1, 2, 3, 4. And here the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when you change, you keep the level. Yeah? When you change, nothing changes here. The same thing. Okay, now we will try it with music.